I'll tell you what I really like about this 210-piece ear hose clamp set. This kit comes with a pincher tool, a nice pincher tool. And this is what it looks like. I took it off. It comes just like this, and it has the tool in the top tray here, and some of your larger ones in the top tray, and then all the way down to these little tiny ones here. This kit has 12 sizes. From size 6 through 36.1 millimeter, and a 1/4 inch through 1.4 inches. Let me just show you an example of how these work. The first thing you got to do with these ear clamps is to make sure you've got the right size. These don't have a lot of adjustment on them, you know, like a clamp like this would have. They're designed as one-time use, but they're also designed in such a way that they hold tight all the way around the hose real nicely. And that's why a lot of car manufacturers are actually going to these. So just a quick demonstration on how these will go on the hose. You just slide it over there and you use the pincher tool. Put that clamp right where you want it. And you squeeze it to pinch that on. And that thing is really tight and not going anywhere. They're very nice clamps. They're convenient. They're quick. They're not as bulky. You've just got that little nub sticking up instead of this honking thing with however much of this is hanging out to accidentally injure yourself on. They're a nice clean clamp that works really well. As you can see, when you pinch this on, it goes all the way around. If you can see inside there, it goes all the way around up to here. And when you're squeezing it, the whole thing is getting smaller, not just, 80% of it, and it clamps evenly around the hose. And that's what I like about these ear clamps, and a lot of people like about these, is that they do clamp really good. Are handy for all sorts of things, for fuel lines, for all kinds of automotive uses for these. I've used them on a garden hose. I've used them on PEX hose, even to repair a dishwasher. I keep one of these in my truck's toolbox, in case I need a clamp to repair a hose due to breaking down or something. So, yeah, just a couple of plastic latches, but they're functional and they seem to work real well. I'm happy I bought this kit. I've used it several times, and it seems to be great quality. Very nice. I like it a lot. So there you go. Happy clamping.